Hey guys, I'm Merijn, you're watching Superyacht Times. Welcome to another episode, and today we're talking about the record-breaking used yacht sales market. As you might have read on our website, the market is very hot right now and yachts are selling very fast. If we look at the first half of the year, more than 380 used yachts over 24 meters, which is around 80 feet, were sold, which is, compared to 2020, almost a double amount of yacht sales. So why are these yachts selling fast? Well, there's a few reasons. I think first of all, because of the pandemic, people waited with buying a yacht, and now they realize they still want to go back to the water and they're buying the yachts. Secondly, what we're also seeing is that clients who would normally charter yachts actually are making the jump and buying their first boat. We spoke to some clients as well who realize now, they have been working very hard and, they buying a yacht to really go around the world, have more fun instead of focus on work only. So there's definitely also younger people, also older people who are coming in the market who say, okay, now is a great time to buy a boat. What's also interesting, there is of course people who made a lot of money during this pandemic, and especially in the tech sector we're seeing it. And there's a lot of young guys as well, even younger than myself, who are buying 24, 30 meter yachts, but even bigger yachts as well, which is really great for our market because these guys will probably buy a lot more yachts over their lifetime and get even more people, their friends, their business partners involved as well. So if we look at the numbers again, more than 380 used yachts over 24 meters sold in the first half of the year. If it continues at this pace, then at the end of the year, we probably have more than 700 used yachts sold over 24 meters. And compare that to just over 500 in 2020. Is it realistic? Will we see the market continue selling yachts so fast? Well, I'm not too sure yet. Of course, I'm very optimistic and I definitely think yachts will keep selling. But, there needs to be product as well. There needs to be yachts for sale, and if we look at the number of new yachts coming on the market, that is less compared to the same time last year. Also, the months before the summer season are very active. So we now, in the middle of the summer, so are people still going to buy yachts in the middle of the summer, or they wait till the autumn and then it slows down a bit? That's one of the scenarios as well. We speak to a lot of the yacht brokers as well, and one of the things they're really saying to us, it's very hard to find good quality boats for our clients already. Some boats have been very long on the market, but they are just not interesting, they're overpriced, they need a lot of money, so they have troubles finding good quality yachts, especially newer ones. Another thing we are seeing and also hearing from the brokers is that the prices that sellers are getting for the yachts are increasing. So are people still prepared to pay, close to the asking price? I don't think we are yet at the time that people are getting their asking price, or even people are going to overbid it. But definitely there are off-market deals happening as well. And usually with off-market deals, it means that someone really wants to buy a yacht and he has to pay a premium. So that's definitely one of the things we're watching closely. Also, we monitor all the price changes, and what we see, the average price reduction in percentage has gone down from 10% last year to 8% price reductions. So, it's something to watch, but, we definitely think there is still demand from a lot of clients to buying boats. I think it's going to be harder to match them with the boat they want, but, time will tell. Usually, after the summer season, around the yacht shows in September, there is some boats coming on the market because clients want to upgrade or they decide to sell their boat. So I still have good hopes that we're going to see a very high number of yacht sales at the end of the year. So let's look at some of the most amazing deals of the first half of 2021. I think the most, probably you read all about it, but one of the most eye-catching deals is the sale of the 105 meter Lady Mora. She was listed for sale by Kemper Nicholson's at $125 million, and they also brought the buyer. Another big sale was the sale of the 72-meter Tankoa. She was listed at 62.9 million euros with IYC and Northrop & Johnson, and she was sold by Edmiston. One of the more recent sales was the sale of the 57-meter Fedship Halo. She was listed for sale at 64 million euros and only on the market for 46 days. She was listed by Edmiston and the buyer was brought by the new brokerage company Kitson Yachts. Thank you for watching another episode. If you have any questions about the market, feel free to ask us. Also, download our report, The State of Yachting, which came out not too long ago, which has a lot of in-depth information on the market as well. And we look forward to seeing you at the next episode.